Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we have a limited edition LeBron James sneaker. This is the LeBron 16, the latest LeBron signature model to come out, and this is the first colorway to come out. You guys can see the new box. It's an all black box with the King Crown logo and LeBron dunking. Pretty cool. And then again we have LeBron 16 on the side of the box. And let's get right into the label. LeBron 16 limited multicolor, suggested retail USD $200. So the actual LeBron 16s are retailing for $185, but this is the special edition, so it's $200. You guys probably guessed what it is already. It's the LeBron 16 What The 1 through 5. Alright, so here we have the sneakers, the LeBron 16 What The 1 through 5. So this sneaker is the first LeBron 16 to actually drop, and it features the first 5 colorways of the LeBron 16 that are going to come out. So as like similar to every other What The sneaker, there's 2 different, like, you know, each pair is very different from another. So on this one, it's a dominantly gray upper, and I have like multicolor going through it. And then on this pair we have like dominantly multicolor upper. So let's get into some of the details. So starting with the right pair, so this is the right pair. On the tongue we have like a, you know, lion fur, I guess that's what it's supposed to be. It's like that pony hair type of feel, and then it says 2 on it, and a LeBron signature with the King Crown logo. And if you guys look at it up close, it's actual like the pony hair that Nike uses on its shoes. Good detail, look at that. So really dope. We have red laces on this pair. Once again, as I mentioned, it's a predominantly gray upper with multicolor underneath it. And then we have a white speckled midsole. And on the back we have the Nike swoosh, and my favorite part of the sneaker, the lion head. So black lion head with gold eyes, and then the iridescent Nike swoosh. And on the tongue, once again, we have LeBron's signature with the red ankle liner. And on the medial side, once again, we have the white speckled midsole. Let's get into the outsole. Very interesting part of the sneaker. So first part is translucent with the neon green King Crown logo, and then we have a black pod, another translucent pod. And then finally we have a multicolor translucent pod. So this is really cool in my opinion, because the back is like red on this side and it transitions to blue. So really cool touch. Favorite side, I guess, just looks a little bit more wearable and a little bit more luxurious. So let's get into the left pair. So with the left pair we have a multicolor upper for the most part, and then in contrast to the other pair with the white speckled midsole over here, this one is black. As we move along, once again, we have a Nike swoosh on this side. It's in gold, and it's actually stitched in into the medial side. And then on the back, as we had the black lion head on this pair, we have a white leather King Crown logo that says 16 with the black Nike swoosh. And then on the tongue it just says LeBron, just letters, not a signature this time. And then with this one we have a gray ankle liner. And then one of my favorite parts of the sneaker actually has to be this gold, the heel cup. Really nice gold. It actually looks like real gold, to be honest. Like it looks really cool. It's really shiny. You guys a better look at that. So yeah, a lot of details on the sneakers. It's honestly crazy. Like so on this one we have a burgundy reddish kind of tongue. It says 3, and again the lion and LeBron signature, and we have blue laces on this one. One thing I do think would look good is if we replace the laces and we put the red on this and the blue on this. I think it would go a little bit better. But as you guys can see, a cool detail. So it says 2 on this pair, 3 on this pair. So really dope. I didn't show you guys the outsole of this one. So this one has a crazy outsole. So we have the translucent at the front, just like the other pair, and then this one we have like a crazy multicolored pattern throughout the rest of it. That's wild. Reminds me of those Russell Westbrook Jordans that came out a couple years back. So yeah, and then one last thing I do want to touch upon is the insoles, because the insoles are actually really crazy on this pair. So let me see if you guys could pick that up. So right there, it's lined again. It says 2316. So the 23 is for LeBron's number, and then 16 is for the signature model. And then again, the King Crown logo. Honestly, they killed it with this. Like, this is one of the best Wuttas since I think the LeBron 11 Wutta. Like, that was one of my favorite ones. But yeah, they absolutely killed it with this. And then we have some more extra laces with this. And then with this pair, once again, we have another set of extra laces. This is like a creamish white color. You guys can see. And then on the insole here, LRJ SFG. And then we have LeBron. Camera's not picking up too well, but it's LeBron sitting on like a throne for like the whole King James thing. So yeah, honestly, you guys will finally look at these. Like, very well done collab in my opinion. I mean, really crazy. This is one of the craziest Wuttas in a while. Like, you wear this, people are actually like, you know, what the, like. So anyways, a last quick look at both of the shoes. I like how it's like one white and one black, like a very cool contrast there. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think of these sneakers, and let me know which side is your favorite. Once again, my favorite one is this probably, but this is also really sick. Overall, Nike killed it with this. Very happy to have one of these off the sneakers app, and hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.